Hello friends, welcome my channels. Today's discussions classification of 10 drugs. Cardiovascular drug agents are the drugs which have the ability to after cardiovascular function. So friends must remember which which have the ability to after cardiac vascular function. The action may be on the heart or other parts of cardiovascular system. The action may be on the heart on other parts of cardiovascular system. Classification. Cardiovascular agents can be classified as follows. Cardiac glycosides. Number one, cardiac glycosides. Example, digitoxin and Obian. Ouabain. Obian. Obain. Anti-arrhythmic agent. Anti-arrhythmic agent. Anti-arrhythmic agent. Example, quinidine, procainamide, quinidine and procainamide. Antihypertensive agent. Example, methyl dopa and reserpine. Anti-anginal agents. Example, glycerol. So friends, next is anti-anginal agent. Example, glyceryl trinitrate. And next is anti-coagulant agent. Example, warfarin sodium. Number 6, vasodilator. Example, phenethylamine and phenoxybenzyamine. 7 is diuretics. Example, furosemide and chlorothiazide and ethacrylic acid. Lipid and lowering agent. Chlorothiazide, nicotinic acid and clofebrate. Another example is tranquilizer. Number 2. The tranquilizer are the agents or drugs are able to produce an improved mental taste. This is underlined. This is the very important. To produce an improved mental taste in mentally disturbed patients. Classifications. They are classified as below. Number 1, ethyl N-diamine. Ethyl N-diamine. ETHYL. Ethyl NENDRDIAMINE. Ethyl diamine. Example, mepyramine. mepyramine, MEPYRA amine. And number 2, phenothiazine derivative. Phenothiazine derivative. Example, chlorpromazine, and thyrodazine. Number 3, piperazine derivative. piperazine derivative. Example, busulfigine and mesalazine. Number 4, alkyl amines. Example, phenadiamine and chlorphenadiamine. Alkyl amines, example, phenadiamine and chlorphenadiamine. Number 5, miscellaneous. Example, cyproheptadine. Next is ant tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is an infection disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Tuberculosis is an infection disease caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis. The disease is chartered by nodules or tubercles. Nodules or tubercles. Tuberculosis affecting the lung is very common through any organ may be affected. The drugs used for the treatment of tuberculosis is called anti-tuberculosis drugs. Example, ethyl adiamine. Number 1, ethyl N-diamine derivatives. Example, ethambutol. Number 2, pyridine derivatives. Example, isoniazid, ethionamide, and ethionamide. Number 3, pyrazine derivatives. Example, pyrazinamide. Number 4, para-amino-salicylic acid analogonase. Para-amino-salicylic acid analogonase. Example, para-amino-salicylic acid. And number 5, antibiotics. Example, streptomycin and cycloserine is the anti-tuberculosis drugs. Now we discuss another drugs is amoebiasis. Amoebiasis is a infection. Amoebiasis is a infection disease, and it is caused by the protozoa Entamoeba histolytica. This is the very important point. Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba and histolytica, and characterized by invasion of the mucous membrane. Characterized the mucous membrane of the large intestine with discharge of blood, and mucous membrane members large intestine with discharge of blood and mucus. With discharge of blood and mucous membrane, large intestine with discharge of blood and mucus. This is the important mark. Discharge of blood and mucous membrane, large intestine with discharge of blood and mucus. And another is classification of anti-amoebic drugs. They are described below. Number 1, alkaloids. Example, amytine. Number B, amaroids. Example, quercetin. 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 Number C, antibiotics. Example, paramonicin. Number D, heterocyclic compounds. Example, diloxanide and metronidazole. Number E is organometallic compound. Example, acetarsole. And number 5, F is quinoline derivative, that is lodiquinol and siloquinol. So friends, we have learned that total 6 drugs in amoebiasis. And next is antileprotics drugs. It is a chronic infection disease caused by Mycobacterium leprae, LEPRAE. Must remember this disease is Mycobacterium leprae. The disease mainly affects the skin. Where this disease affects the skin and the peripheral nerves. Mucosa of upper respiratory tract, and also the eye unrelated leprosy can cause progressive and permanent damage to skin, nerves, limb and eyes. The drugs used the treatment of leprosy is called anti-leprotic drugs. The drugs used for the treatment of leprosy is called anti-leprotic drugs. Classifications. They are classified below. One is number one, sulfonase. Sulfonase. Example, dapsone. Example, dapsone, sulfone. Number two, phenacine. Example, chlorphazimine. Chlorphazimine. And tuberculosis drugs. That is example, rifampicin and ethionamide. Miscellaneous antibiotics. Miscellaneous antibiotics is example, ofluracin and clarithromycin. Anthelmintic drugs are used. Anthelmintic drugs are used to treatment worm infections or destroy the parasitic worm or remove them from the injected hosts. This is called anthelmintic. Spelling anthelmintic. Classifications. They are classified below. Halogenated hydrocarbon. Example, tetrachloroethyl. Number one. Number two, halogenated phenols and biphenyls. Example, bithenol. And number three, piperamine. Related compounds. Example, piperazine citra. Piperazine citra and dithylcarbamazine. DIETHOYLA carbamazine. Dithialcarbamazine citrates. Dithialcarbamazine citrates. And number four is DYEs dyes. Example, gentian violet. Example, gentian violet. Another is number five, heterocyclic ring. Heterocyclic ring compounds. Example, mebendazole and nidazole. Bendazole and nidazole. Diagnostic. What is diagnostic? Diagnostic drugs. Agents are the chemical substance which are used to diagnose and detect a disease or pathological conditions. So important point is used to diagnose or detect a disease or pathological condition. They should be completely inert. And should not have any pharmacological actions of their own. Classifications. They are classified below. Number one, radio pack. One is X-ray contrast media. Example, loponic acid and propyliodone. propilenol. Number 2, agents used to test organ function. Number 1, to test kidney function. Example, indigotin, 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 and disulphanate, disulphanate. To test liver function, example, Congo red and fluorescein blue. Analeptic is a drugs. Analeptic is a drugs which stimulate the central nervous system. Analeptic is a drugs which stimulate the central nervous system. These drugs are increase the activity of brain and spinal cord. The large produce the convulsion that is called analeptic. They are classified below. Cortical stimulants, example, caffeine, amphetamine, and theophylline. Number 2, medullary stimulants, example, pyrotoxin, and nicotinamide. And number 3, spinal stimulants, example, lobeline. Number 4, miscellaneous, example, atropine and cocaine. Sedative and hypnotics. Now we will discuss sedatives and hypnotics drugs. Sedatives are the drugs which depress the central nervous system and used in relief of tension. So this is the which depress the central nervous systems and relief of tension. See, anxiety and restlessness. Hypnotics are the drugs which depress the nervous system and produce sleep. They are used to over insomnia. They are produced they are used to overcome insomnia. So classification. Chemically, these are classified below. Barbiturate. Number 1 is barbiturate. Number 1, long acting barbiturate, example, phenobarbital and barbitone. Number 2, intermediate barbiturate, example, barbitone. And number 3, short barbiturate, example, cyclobarbitan. And ultra short barbiturate, example, thiopentone. Non-barbiturate, number 1, benzodiazepine derivative, example, diazepam and nitrozepam. Number 2, urea derivative, example, glutathione. Number 3, alcohol derivative, example, paraldehyde. And number 4, miscellaneous derivative, example, promethiazine and bromide. And anticholinergic drugs. The drugs which inhibit the pharmacological action of acetylcholine are inhibit the pharmacological action of acetylcholine are known as anticholinergic drugs. Classification: these are classified are described below. Number 1, amino alcohol esters. Example atropine, hyoscine and propythylene. And amino alcohol ethers. Example benzotropine. Number 3, amino alcohol. Example piperidine. Amides. Example tropicamide. Miscellaneous. Example pyrazine and ethopropyzine. Thanks for watching.